Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just iPhone Wi-Fi not showing you network, so how you can also fix it. So first thing you can try also just to open the settings, and in the settings just find here Wi-Fi and just try to turn it off and turn on again. So if it doesn't help you, just try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your iOS. So just go to the general, just tap on software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.